Hello guys, today we'll be making a for loop. And what does this for loop does is that it writes a loop in a specific number of time. If you set a loop up till 10 times, it will run the code 10 times. If you set a loop up till 20 times, it will run the code 20 times. So let's try that first. For, and then let's set the initial value as x, which is equal to 0. You can set any initial value you want, maybe perhaps 5 or 4. Let's start with 0 first. And then for this variable, you can set any variables you want, maybe perhaps b or d. Let's try out x for this one first. And then after that, let's set the condition for x, which is less than 10. Then after that, let's add up the increment or decrement value. So let's try it out with increment first, which is x by 1, or maybe x by 2 or 3 or 5. You can set any increment or decrement value you want. Let's try it out as 1 first. Then after that, so that we can see it, let's set the statement for it by printing out the value, which is out the value of x, and then that's all. Return 0. So the output will be 0 until 9, because that satisfies this condition, which is less than 10. So it will run 10 times because it prints out the value which is from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 until 9. The loop is 10 times for this one. Let's print it out, and there you go, 0 until 9. The loop runs 10 times, including the initial value of 0. So let's try it out with the increment of 2. So it will increment the value each time, which is by 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, until it reaches the condition, which is less than 10. If it plus 2 again, it will reach the number 10 here, which is doesn't satisfy this condition unless we change this into less than or equal to 10. Then it will include the number 10, because this condition set it from which is less or equal to 10. Let's increment it by 1 and start the initial value from 1. So it will start from 1, increment it by 1 each time, which is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, and then the limit is less or equal to 10. And that's how the for loop runs, and how this for loop does. And I bid you farewell for this one, and thank you.